Roles within Everbridge Suite allow you to specify who has permission to various aspects of the platform. For instance, a user assigned the dispatcher role can create and send messages with no access to contact data, while a data manager can do the opposite. Account administrators and organization administrators are able to create and assign these roles. Organizations are all nested under the account level. Think of this as an umbrella. Therefore, assigning roles from the account level umbrella means roles can be assigned to users of any organization. It's important to note that each organization has its own contacts and users. At the organization level, there are many roles that have varying access to different components of the system. For example, accessing contact lists, templates, and reports. User and role management can, by default, be done at the account level. To have an Access tab in the organization, make sure the organization administrator for that organization has been given user role management permissions. To create a role at the account level, begin by clicking Roles. Then select Organization. From there, select the organizations you want to work in. At the top of the role type list, click New Role. Select a role type from the Type drop-down menu. Type a name for the new role in the Name field. The role type becomes a folder that contains the custom roles you've added. This is particularly useful if you're looking to have numerous roles of the same type with different capabilities. For example, you can create multiple incident operator roles with access to different incident templates. Make certain to click the Permissions tab to view all of the tasks that the role can perform. Checkboxes indicate that you can enable or remove certain features from that role. Next, click the Resources tab if available for the role that you're creating. Here, you can specify which templates or contacts the new role has access to within that organization. To complete the role creation, click Save. Assigning roles to users is done on the User tab at the account level or the Access tab within the organization. Add a new user or click the pencil icon next to the user you're looking to assign a role. Scroll down to Role Information. Select the role from the drop-down menu you want the user to have, and make sure you click New Role to fully assign that role. Keep in mind, users can have more than one role. Once finished, click Save. You should now see that role name or the amount of roles assigned listed next to the user's name. For more courses, training, and certifications, visit Everbridge University. For specific courses on user management and roles, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.